Hello guys, it's Alexander from forceniger.com. Today we'll be looking at formatting drives on Linux. So for us to be able to do this, we want to look at some of the reasons why we want to format drives. We know that external drives are usually in form of USB connections, either in external hard drives or external thumb drives. There's a situation where we might need to reformat it to work with our operating system, because we know that different operating systems have different file system, and so they have different recognition from different file systems. So it's very important that you format your external drives in the right format so as to be able to accept or transfer files from one operating system to the other. So to format drives on Linux is very easy. For us to be able to do this, if you noticed from my desktop, I already have a USB thumb drive connected. So if I want to format this drive, I simply go to an application disk that is available by default on all Linux distributions. Just go to disk, and there you see a 31 gig drive that is called 032. So this is the drive that you want to format. So you have to be very careful that you know the drive that you want to format so as not to mistakenly format your internal hard drive of your computer. So if you look at the USB drive I connected is 032, and the 31 gig drive here is also 032. So this is the right drive that I want to format. So after selecting that drive, the one you want to format, then you just click on this gear icon here, select it. You have different options on what to do with that USB drive. So since we want to format, we just select the format partition. Now a dialog appears where we have to input all the parameters that we need for this format. So we want to give the volume a name after it is formatted. So since it's 032, or let's just call it Force Ninja 32. So that's the name we want to call it. Then we have to select the kind of file system that we want on the drive. So if we select the NTFS file system, it means that this drive will work based on the Windows file system. That is, it will be compatible with Windows. Though one advantage of Linux is that it can boot most or recognize most file systems, but it's always good that USB thumb drives are formatted as FAT. So with that, you'll be able to use that thumb drive both on Windows and on Linux and any other system at all. So to be on the safer side, we want to select the FAT system. Then we click on next. So it gives you a confirmation detail. Are you sure you want to format this drive? Because when we format the drive, every information in the drive will be deleted. So we want to ensure that we check all what we have imputed, that it is okay. Then we simply click on format. So we can see that it is working. Then that is done. You see now that the new name for the drive is Force Ninja 3, since the 32 is longer than the required file name, so it will discard that. So since it has a new name, it shows that it has been formatted, but the system is not mounted, or the drive is not mounted. To mount it, we just simply click on the play icon. Then on mounting it, you see that the drive has appeared here again on our system. So we can open it and start using it for whatever we want to use it for. And you see that it is empty. You can start copying your files that you need into it on either systems like Linux or Windows. So there you have it. That's how you can format drives simply. If this is an external hard drive, this is the same method that you use in formatting it, as simple as that. So thank you very much. Please do subscribe to our channel, share, like and comment as we produce more videos.